sunshiny day. Good weather makes you feel no pain in Hawaii. Here in Hawaii, yeah. Go up the mountain and try to get lost. Enjoy Mother Nature and her elegant touch. Jump off the cliff into the icy cold pond. Reach out and touch the waterfall on the way down. Blue skies, it's a sunshiny day. Good weather makes you feel no pain in Hawaii. Here in Hawaii, yeah. Blue skies, it's a sunshiny day. Good weather makes you feel no pain in Hawaii. Here in Hawaii, yeah. Blue skies, it's a sunshiny day. Good weather makes you feel no pain in Hawaii. Here in Hawaii, yeah. Blue skies, it's a sunshiny day. Good weather makes you feel no pain in Hawaii. I woke up one morning, decided I had to go to a place I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. If you need me like I need you, then maybe I'll take you to the places that you never knew. We have got a secret rendezvous atop a little mountain just to me and you. We will gaze at the sweet sunset and atop a mountain on you will never forget. So please be nice, my darling dear. Then maybe I'll think about bringing you back up here. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. Sometimes I just can't see straight, and every time for you I would wait. And every night I wanna get you in my bed. I feel I'm going out of my head. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. No sense lie, baby, I know the truth. You're thinking about me, needing me, and doing it too. It's contagious, the love that we share. No other two lovers can compare. You need me, girl, I see it in your eyes. So darling, when are you gonna realize that I am yours? You are mine, girl, we dream about each other, baby, all of the time. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just can't wait to get alongside you. When I think about you, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. We are cruising island style. Me and the brothers have all had a long week at work. So much stuff to do, but so little time to do it in. Wish we could be at the beach, cruising underneath the sun. But to survive in this world, they say you can't have too much fun. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Thank you to the Lord that the weekend is here. Time to get a little loose, 'cause summertime is near. No need worry anymore, 'cause it's Aloha Friday. Party till the weekend, pal, 'cause no more work till Monday. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. We are cruising island style. Everybody get together, go down to the beach bar. Jamming, cruising, barbecuing, drinking, smoking till it's dark. We will have so much fun cruising with each other. When we party island style, we respect